So I got to work this morning and I could smell something sweet. Well, there was coolant, and I opened my engine bay and it's like all over my engine bay, on the heat shield, radiator, distributor, I mean everywhere. So right now it's running. I just got home. We're gonna see what it's doing while it's running. I definitely smell it right now at idle, so obviously it's burning, but let's see if we see anything physically. I mean, look at that. It's all the way down here. Look at that. Like, what? Don't know what it is. Oh, I think we found our problem. It's all you needed. Put some pressure on it. Had to change because this didn't get messy. Anyway, so one thing I will be doing first while this is cooling down is taking off my headlight assembly on the driver's side. On that side I could not, whenever I added the light bulbs in, I couldn't put the like bulb bracket holder or whatever on. So it always falls out, and then I'm like, I can't see, or it looks like my headlight's out and it's not. Thankfully I haven't gotten pulled over yet, so that's good. So let's do that, and yeah. After much stress to find this thing, this better be worth it. Let's show you how the headlight is. See, just hanging out. Right here, there are two bolts, or like screwdriver bolts. And normally down here, there are clips, but mine don't have it. So that'll probably be an extra step for you. There's a bolt down here below the like filler. I call it the filler in between like the bumper and subframe, whatever. Whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Anyway. Now that it's out, what is this? That is crazy. I've never seen that before. Anyway, let's see if this works. Let me explain a little. Can you see? There is a little screw in there. So whenever I took it out, I believe I loosened it a little bit, because I have this in there. It just keeps falling out, and I'm not thinking like, oh, it's just this when it's not, whatever. Because you see how now it's under it. So, I'm hopeful that this does it, but I don't know. Oh, Lordy. So I couldn't film this. And again, you need much patience. So I ended up using the end of this. I was using this, did not work. So what I did is, see on this the little loop there? So it has the hook, right? So you push down on that, and while the pressure is off from everywhere else, that hook right here along the wall, God, I should have tried to film it. I don't know, it was very hard. But it slides, it's gonna slide there, and then it'll go into that whole notch, whatever. So now it's in there. Say if you do take off the bolt off the filler to get the bolt back in, I put pressure here and slowly put it back in. This is pretty cold off now. So let's take off the fans. Messy. That's where the notch was for the other fan. So, if you don't know, this is I think it's a petcock or drain cock, something like that, to drain your fluid. Obviously, you're gonna take the reservoir cap off. The radiator cap off. So it's not much pressure, you know, you release pressure so it flows out faster. We're gonna put some cardboard, mostly for me, but also for that. This sucks really bad because whenever I get coolant, I get the Oh my god. Jesus. Yeah, it knew it was gonna shoot, but then it like went somewhere else. I don't know what the hell. This is exactly for the cardboard. Again, took off the fan, but there, don't forget to unplug it, of course. I do plan on looking right here. Be careful not to scratch the big one, and the small one. Oh, and that's small one. Alright, we're gonna go to cooling. Oh, my fingers hurt. Here we go, radiator. ATF cooler hose. ATF transmission fluid. Section 4. See what I'm seeing? Pretty cool, right? I'm a professional. Just kidding. What I was looking for, do you remember me pointing that out behind the headlight? I've never seen that before. So it adjusts headlights. Obviously, I'm sure some of you are like, well, duh. Look, I've never seen that before, okay? Normally, there's a bolt on top that it moves the headlight up and down. I've never seen this. So, anyway, that's it. Before we change the radiator completely, we need to make sure this is correct. You want cement, some pumpkin. This is the radiator. This was the only one I found that was available. Otherwise, I would have to wait from AutoZone. And it looks correct. Thinking in order to do this semi-smoothly, which is not gonna happen, is to remove those bottom two hoses. I'm obviously gonna lose fluid. Yeah, there's no way, because you have to be careful with the radiators. Since it's aluminum, it can get beat up pretty easily. Quickly. If I go down name and turn away, he wanted to be So once you add your coolant or water, distilled water, whatever, make sure there's no leaks. and make sure that your fan turns on twice before you end the process. Everything came out great. Everything works. There's no leaks. We're good to go. I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm cleaning the engine bay a little bit because it is messy. These squirrels.